Hello friends, my name is Colin and welcome to Colinary Delights. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Real nice, thick and creamy Greek yogurt. It is so easy to make, so simple to make. Why don't you join me in the kitchen as I show you how to make this incredible classic yogurt that is found in so many stores, and you can make it at home at a fraction of the cost. Well folks, here we are. Let's get ready to make this really delicious and healthy recipe. It's going to save you a lot of money, especially if you're making it at home. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's packed with protein. Greek yogurt is not only delicious, it's incredibly versatile as well. Another best part about it, you can just simply make this at home with a few simple ingredients. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 liters of whole milk. If you're using the imperial system, then that'll be 2 quarts of milk. You need half a cup of plain yogurt with live active cultures. Make sure that the yogurt has got your live active cultures in it. A yogurt strainer or a cheesecloth over a bowl if you don't have a yogurt strainer. And then also a container for storing your yogurt, and then you need a crock pot. This particular recipe I use requires a crock pot. Okay, so let's begin. Pour the milk into the crock pot and then secure the lid, and then turn the crock pot on at this time and set it to low. Remember, a crock pot, most crock pots have got low, high and warm. Keep it on low. Leave the milk to cook for about 2 hours. Set a timer just to make sure of this. After 2 hours, turn the crock pot off and let it cool down for 3 hours. At this point, I normally scoop out half a cup of plain yogurt into a cup or a bowl. I cover it and I let it stand for 3 hours alongside the mixture that has been cooled down for 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the lid of the crock pot and add the half a cup of yogurt. Using a whisk, mix the yogurt into the milk until it is thoroughly incorporated. Now the milk may still be slightly warm or a little bit warm. Don't worry about that. It's actually essential for the yogurt making. Now cover the crock pot with a lid and wrap it in a towel to keep it warm. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for 16 to 18 hours. I know it's a long time, but the reward is well worth it. Once the yogurt has set after the 18 hours, it's now time to strain it to achieve the thick and creamy Greek yogurt consistency. Pour the yogurt into a yogurt strainer or place a strainer lined with cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel over a large mixing bowl. Pour the yogurt into the strainer and let it drain for at least 18 hours in the refrigerator until it reaches your desired thickness. I will leave a link for the strainer I use, which can be found on Amazon, below in the description. And there you have it, homemade Greek yogurt. Transfer the yogurt into a container and store it in the refrigerator, which can last for up to a week. You can enjoy it plain or mix it with your favorite fruits, honey or granola for a delicious and nutritious snack. So now it's time for the test. I want to see how this compares and matches up to store-bought yogurt. Wow, that is really good. Just really thick. It's got that sourness of good yogurt and it tastes absolutely amazing. You've got to try this. I'll tell you one thing. You will not go back to store-bought yogurt. It's really delicious. Wow, absolutely amazing. Now that is lekker. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time.